We will show you a DIY hack to build a strike assist rig. When hooking a fish, the strike can range from a full-blooded sweep of the rod to just a slight tightening of the line. This pivotal moment is where all your effort will either pay off or end in disappointment. First, you need to get a rubber band or a latex slingshot band. Here we use a household rubber band. With your fishing line, create a dropper loop with a small 5mm loop. To do that, form a loop in the line at the desired location, then pass the line from one side of the loop through and around that side of the loop. Push the bottom of the original loop up through the new opening and hold with teeth. Wet the knot with saliva and pull both ends in opposite directions. Pull the ends of the line evenly until the coils tighten and the loop stands out from the line. Once the loop is formed, you would attach the rubber band by simply linking it to the loop like so. Now you need to connect the hook to the line using your preferred knot. In this video, we are using the Easy Snell knot. Make sure to wrap the lines over the other end of the rubber band and maintain a reasonable length of line between the hook and the first dropper loop. This setup allows the rubber band to stretch, adding pressure to assist with the strike automatically when the fish takes the bait. This is the completed rig with the strike assist. It's ideal for fishing with multiple rods when it's hard to monitor all of them at once. When a fish strikes, the additional pull from the band helps set the hook securely in the fish's mouth. Give it a try and let us know how it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We have hundreds of fishing knot videos and tips on our channel. Until the next video, tight lines, folks.